In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a t-shirt on Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video so you don't miss out on any future tips and tricks. Now let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't already, head over to the Printify website and create an account. It's completely free to sign up, and after that, you can explore all the possibilities they offer for t-shirt design. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface. This is where all the magic happens. On the home page, look for the Create button, typically located at the top of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the product catalog, and you want to locate the t-shirt section. There are a variety of t-shirt styles available, from fitted to classic cuts, and different materials too. Take your time to browse through the options. Once you find a t-shirt that speaks to you, go ahead and click on it. Now, we're at the design stage. You'll be directed to a design tool, where you can start customizing your t-shirt. On the left, you'll see a menu that allows you to upload your designs, add text, and even choose colors. If you already have a design in mind, click on the Upload button and select your artwork from your files. It's important to note that your image should be of high quality, ideally at least 300 dpi, so that the final product looks sharp and professional. If you want to add text, just select the Text option in the menu. You can choose from a variety of fonts and styles, and there's a whole rainbow of colors to play with. Try to think about how the text complements your design. You can also adjust the size and position of both the text and images by dragging them around. Don't be afraid to mix and match. This is your t-shirt after all, and it should express your unique style. Now be mindful of the placement of your design. Most users opt for the front of the shirt, but consider playing around with various placements like the back or even the sleeves for a more custom feel. After you're satisfied with your design, take a moment to preview it. Look closely at how everything aligns, and make sure there is enough space around any text or graphics so they don't get cut off during printing. Once you've nailed your design, go to the Preview section. This will give you a good look at what your t-shirt will look like once it's printed. You can also use this feature to see how your design looks on different colors of t-shirts. It's a great way to explore options and really ensure your vision comes to life. If you're happy with how everything looks, click on the Save button. This is important, as it will save your design to your account, enabling you to come back later for any tweaks. Next, you'll want to select the Publish option to get your t-shirt ready for sale. You can set your price here too. Keep in mind the base cost from Printify and think about your profit margin. It's a balancing act, so price fairly. The final step is seamless. Once your product is published, you can connect it to your online store or the marketplace of your choice. If you already have a Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce store, just follow the prompts for integration. Printify will help you take care of everything, including printing and shipping. And voila! You've just designed your custom t-shirt on Printify. From concept to creation, that's all there is to it. It's a straightforward process, and with a bit of creativity, you can bring your ideas to life. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insights into the world of t-shirt design and e-commerce. Happy designing, everyone!